In a small town where the sun kissed the streets every morning, a young boy named Tomas dreamed of one thing: to drive his own jeepney and take people on a journey. One day, I'll drive one just like this, Thomas said. A jeepney driver isn't just someone who drives Ihu. We carry stories, laughter, and dreams, the driver replied with a chuckle. Years have passed. Tomas became Mang Tomas, the heart and soul of his jeepney. Every day, he drove through the streets carrying not just passengers, but their hopes and struggles. Jeepneys are being replaced by modern transport. Fewer passengers board Mang Tomas' jeepney. He watches as the younger generations walk past him, choosing newer rides. Mang Tomas' times are changing. Will you stop driving? A passenger asked. Maybe, but not today, Mang Tomas replied as he smiles faintly at the thought. Once again, years have passed for Mang Tomas. Mang Tomas hands the keys to a driver named Juan. Juan grips the keys with respect, looking up to the older driver. I'll take care of it, Mang Tomas, Juan said. Mang Tomas smiled at the boy. Then keep the stories alive. Every passenger has one. Mang Tomas' journey ended, but the road never forgets those who have traveled it with love.